So we buy you this awesome new toy from the shops, and you're like, thanks for that nice snack to eat. You even listening? So we originally thought it would be interesting because we think she's going to absolutely have a panic attack when she finally makes that ladder fall down. Yeah, I'm talking about you. See, and you're just showing off to the lorikeets because they're all outside and you were screaming out to them before. Hey, what have you got to say for yourself? I'm going to continue to destroy my ladder. Yeah, that's right. Chesney. Chesney. Chesney Rose. Yeah, that's wood. You're destroying it.